Now we have the first official unboxing videos of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The leakers certainly deserve credit for their ability to generate anticipation. While Samsung may perceive tipsters as determined to spoil the surprise of the Galaxy S24 Unpacked event, we believe they play a crucial role in building interest and maintaining excitement leading up to the unveiling. A user named Tasty Orange on X has shared brief unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing 3 color variants. The videos posted on TikTok feature the titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray models of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Notably, the packaging remains consistent with that of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the video primarily reveals the startup screen. Nonetheless, any glimpse is appreciated at this point. The design is visible in the videos, reinforcing the ongoing speculation that Samsung has moved away from curved screens, opting for a flat display in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The footage also supports earlier rumors about the speaker grille, indicating a single milled cut for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a departure from the 6 holes seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra's bottom speaker. One noticeable change, evident in one of the videos, is the flat bottom of the S Pen, a departure from its previous round design. According to previous reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be globally powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Noteworthy features include a new 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and a redesigned look that could position it as a leading contender among current top camera phones. Artificial intelligence integration is anticipated across various aspects, ranging from the keyboard to the camera. However, some innovative features may come at an additional cost, as suggested by Samsung. The phone is also rumored to have received an impressive 7 years of software updates. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.